Hi everyone, my name is Dennis from Denstoj Auto Centre. Just doing a light demo here on the FA20 engine cylinder head and why you need to install the Denstoj Auto Centre Rocker retainer kits. I'm simply just lifting the head up into its normal position. The only rocker remaining on the head is the rocker with the Denstoj rocker retainer clip on it. Now, I don't have the camshafts in it, and obviously this wouldn't just happen without an over-rev situation, but if you did have an over-rev situation or a valve bounce at any stage, this is the one that will stay in. The rest of them, as you can see, have fallen straight out. I'm going to shake that, and it's still there.